My name is William Stroud, and today I will be talking about space division multiplexing, which is part of the research going on in the optical network group here at UCL. Space division multiplexing is best explained by first explaining what is multiplexing. Multiplexing is simply sending multiple data signals through one wire at once. This was previously done using wave division multiplexing, where multiple data signals were modulated onto different wavelengths of light and then sent through the wire. However, space division multiplexing uses the much larger core of the multi-mode fibre in order to create multiple data channels to send the data signals through at once. Now, this can be used in conjunction with wave division multiplexing to create a communication medium with a far higher bandwidth, which will then correlate with far higher internet speeds. Now, why would far higher internet speeds be useful? Well, one would be that many streaming sites or cloud gaming or AI are all web-based and thus are limited by bandwidth and internet speeds. And this will solve that problem. It will also, hopefully, make internet cheaper, because if there is more bandwidth, then the bandwidth per pound or per dollar would thus be cheaper, which would mean that it would be more affordable to everyone, which would result in more people being connected, and it would help a lot of people in that way. So what challenges does space division multiplexing face? And these two on the screen are interconnected. So the problem is that when you use the much larger core, the interference between the different data channels is a problem. It causes dispersion, which means that very complex digital signal processing has to be used, which involves things like Fourier transforms and such. Now, this can sometimes use AI and many different tools to basically break down the signal into its collective parts. But this is also very expensive, which means it's going to be very tough to implement, which is limiting its impact at the moment. Thank you for watching.